we're back. Today I have set this thing up, and yesterday I actually said I was gonna we finish what we talked about functions with parameters and how awesome they are. And today we are not actually going to talk about for loops. We are going to talk about arrays, and an array is this thing right here at the top. And this is a for loop right here. If you don't understand it, no, please don't. I want to teach it later. Basically what this will do is, if I run this, it'll say, first it'll be like, okay, I messed up, I ungrouped. See no order. So, log. Did we go over that? I don't think we did. No. And if I open up the console, and bam, see, everything from that array has gone in here. So there's hi, stuff, hey, jorg, floops, 9, 18, 97, true. And if you notice, that's what was in here. Hi, stuff, hey, jorg, floops, 3, 18, 19, 97, and true. That's what the for loop did, but right now we're not paying attention to that. We're paying attention to the array. It holds all this different stuff. Arrays are a type of variable, but instead of just holding one value, it holds multiple. It can even hold more arrays. The beautiful thing is, with that for loop I just made, I can make something. You can make something that loops through the array and does stuff like one of my games. One of my games, I had an array, and what it did is it held the text of the game, and it was kind of like a text dialogue thing. And actually, I can show you right now. And in this game, you could even like set the background color to whatever you want. A bit green for now, it's really subtle. A little purple, it's even better. Reset. My name is Coop. Yeah, Google. So, no, it's pretty cool. So it's up. 300 lines of code, nothing much. So Ski Talk the artist, he's the one who made this awesome sprite. It changes when your health goes up, but I kind of broke that. Sorry. It will be fixed one day though. So, as you can see, this is all in an array. This line is 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 in an array, and it's all displayed like that. And it's awesome. Unfortunately, I kind of broke it. It goes off the screen. I died. But that's the wonder of arrays, because they can do awesome stuff like that. And so today we're going to be doing more with arrays. Arrays can hold any number of things, any number of values inside of them. They can hold booleans such as true and false. They can hold things like numbers, strings, booleans. They can hold everything. More arrays if you really want. This, just like more stuff in that array. 3, 4, false, and 18. Or 19. Yeah. 2 arrays. Like that. So really, if I wanted to use anything inside of this array, I'd say, well, this is 0. Arrays, their values always start at 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this array is 9. And inside that array, if I want to access something inside of that array, I'd do things. I do 9. That's the number of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then wait a second. Remember, this is how you do it. Should be like this. And then again, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it has 4 values, and it counts from 0 to 3. If I wanted to say 4, I do that. It would be like console dot log things 9. That should access the array, and oh nope, that didn't work. A false. Also, it could be 1 for 4. Stuff. It might actually be. Just thing, guys, I gotta figure this out. It's that. And if there was an area inside of this that I want to access, and I'd have, let's say it was the 5th value, value 4, because of how stuff works. I'd have these brackets, and then that would have like 29, 85, and true again. And if I want to access something inside of that, and I do something like this. I can access. Oh man. Oh, what did I do? Oh. Should be 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and not read property 0 of undefined. I can see that. But I think you got it. I think you guys got it. You guys got it. You got it. You got it. You guys got it. So, but I could still have another array inside of this first one. I could have, instead of 9, I could have 10, which would be the thing after this array, which would actually be this next array I'm making with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I want to pick number 2. There we go. Use that. I want to print 8. 8, 9, 10. Now it should print 10. Here we go. So this is just how stuff works, you know. This is how it works, you know, because if you didn't catch on, then I'm logging to the console, just printing something here. The 9th value, because this is +1, the 9th value of the 10th value, of the 11th value of the things array. Things is this whole array right here, this entire thing. Inside of this array has all of these, and then the other 2 arrays. But inside of that, I couldn't say access this number 9 from this array with only this, because to access this next array, what I have to do is I have to first lock onto that array with this first thing. This is the 11th value in the things array is this, the thing counting up from 1 to 10, which is 7. Yes, I know this. And then after that, you need to go inside of that array. So you open up more brackets right here. And the 8th value of that, which is actually the 9th, skipping the 7 would be the 10. And that's why I printed that. If I really wanted to just print the entire array, sure, I could do that. Use that. Prints hi, stuff, hey, drawer, oops, 3, 18, 97, true. And then it says array 4, array 9. That's just saying it's not going to print the other arrays because it just won't. It'll just say there's an array, this is an array, and this array contains this many values. It is true. It contains 4 values. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this other one contains 9 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's pretty cool. No, so cool. I don't know what this arrow is for. Actually, yeah. If you really wanted, you could expand the entire thing because this expands the array so you can see the value number of each thing inside of it. It's great. So 9 is the first array, 10 is the second, and it has a length of 11, which from 0 to 10 is 11. And then it says proto, which is array 0, which is basically a prototype, which is basically, it contains well, actually, I'll get into that later, but prototype is basically, so if I had an object, then I can make that object, anything that is that type of object would have a proto that, that has these things. So basically, if I look right here, see concat, I don't know what that means, but it's a function. It only applies to arrays. So anything that is an array has concat. I don't have to define concat myself. It just already has it. It also has splice, sort, sum, slice, shift, reverse, all that good stuff. And inside this, I can actually display the other things. And this, it's awesome. That's the power of Google Chrome. Yeah. If I preserve the log, then when I reload the page, it'll preserve it. And what that'll do is it basically just keeps whatever's in this log for now. And if I reload the page, it'll just relog it. So I can keep the log forever. So basically, what this basically just does is freaking, let's say I was doing some error testing. Say I had a big old error right here. Then I can just just have an error. So let me syntax. But no, I can't do an error right now. But I just had something like down right there. I'll throw a big old error because I don't feel like actually throwing one. Can't reference error. But I could throw that actually. So uncaught reference error. If I knew how to do that. So tree is not defined. And basically, I fixed it, I saved it, reload, it's no longer there. I can still see that I had it at one point, but it's no longer there. So now I see, okay, it's fixed. Delete the whole log, restart again. Then I could make a change, blah 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 blah, hobble flarb, darb, up on that, and uncover from there. Delete it. Okay. I really just need something to talk about. I'm bored. I'm really bored. Don't know how long this is. Keep going. 13 minutes. But that is arrays, and they have a lot of cool features in them, like splice, 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 I don't know, there's a lot of stuff now. They have way too much stuff. Okay. So that's arrays. You can call them up anywhere. You can access all their stuff. You can access any single value in it. You can do stuff. You can do anything with them because they're amazing. Yay! They're amazing. And so that's all for today. Not tomorrow. Well, probably tomorrow, probably not. But next time, we'll probably get into something like, I think we'll just put our skills to the use for now. Yeah, so next time we'll put our skills to use and make something new. If you don't want to, then skip ahead a few episodes, or maybe just one or two, whenever it's done. And see you there. Ciao. over, I'm going to say something really, really important at the end. It's coming up soon. It's coming up really, really soon. I'm about to say it. Just give me a second. Oh gosh. I gotta stand back up first. Oh gosh, sitting down made me tired. Just wanna say, boy, Rudy's next.